Hi guys, my name is Zil. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Ano ba naman? So for today's video guys, no, we're gonna be reacting again to our favorite banda ng bayan called French Rhythm. Sabi dito sa mga previous content ng Z Takeover. Sabi ni Rep Parinasan 7P74. Ang galing mo talaga mag-react, gandang Z. Mapapatawa talaga ako sa galing nilang kumanta. 'Di ba nga, magaling talaga ang ating French Rhythm. Oy, sabi din dito ni Dominic Mendel 2712. Sir, pwede po bang i-react din yung Cotton Field? Salamat, sir. And then sabi ni Carlito Mendoza, volume sir, bitin may G sila now. Wish you were here. Yun pala guys. So we're gonna be reacting muna. I know Dominic, i-react natin yung Cotton Field ha. Pero um unahin ko muna 'tong kay Carlito, and then I'm excited. I'm super, super excited. So in 3, 2 ay guys ha, inayos ko yung setup ko. Sana po yung mga feedbacks niyo na rin nababasa ko po talaga. Oy, sadyang mahina pa talaga sa teknolohiya ang Z Takeover. Oy, yes po. So without further ado, okay, 3, 2, 1, screenplay. Ang galing. Wow! Sabi dun, oh, iba. Mas bunso. I'm not sure if I've seen this before or nagpapatawa lang parati si Bunso.
So you think you can tell heaven from hell, blue skies from pain? Can you tell a green field
Galing.
from a cold steel rain? A smile from a veil. Do you think you can tell? Did it get you to trade your heroes for gold? Hard ashes for trees, hot air for a cool breeze, gold for change. Did you exchange a walk on part in a war? A leading role in it.
Sa mga tutok po sa channel ko 'no, kapag fans rhythm tayo wala tayong masyadong reaction kasi nga ang galing lang nila, eh, 'no. Very chill lang yung music nila. And then from the aesthetics though, very Gen Z si ate girl sa gitara doon. And then sobrang bongga ng outfit niya. Love the makeup, love the hair din talaga. You know naman Z Takeover sa cosmetologist, esthetician, and holistic health, professional. So, I love seeing ganda rin ng skin ni ate dun, eh, 'no?
Okay.
Sarap mag-inom. Bunso.
How we should be. Whether just two lost souls swimming in a fishbowl.
Zu
You
Alam
right.
niyo talaga, alam mo banat kahit na nanonood ako ng kay G22, meron talagang genre, ang galing nila dun. Sana kaya nating lahat yun, eh, 'no? Sana all. 'Di ba nga sana all?
Running over the same old grounds. But have we found the same old dreams? Wish you were here.
Thank you. Chon, 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 chon. Chon, 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 chon. Chon, 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 chon. Ay, iba yung putik na dun, ha? Ang galing, guys. That is Franz Rhythm talaga. Ay, si Jari talaga. Ay, proud talaga. Guys, that is our reaction for Franz Rhythm. Again, guys, Franz Rhythm is my energy booster over here, no? So, love the aesthetic. Tama naman si Bunso dun, no? Ang cute-cute pa din. Yes, si ate girl. Iba yung ngiti nila dito, you know? I really like her new hairstyle. I'm not sure if this is a new hairstyle, pero sobrang bet na bet natin yan talaga, no? Let's see. Yes. Okay, so next reaction natin ha, comment lang kayo if you guys want me to react more of, um, si French Rhythm natin. And then if you guys think my audio is better and if you guys like this setup, comment down below din talaga ng pangmalakasan. Alam niyo naman 'pag ganito po ang setup natin wala pong sinisweldo ang Z Takeover. Binibigay lang po talaga natin. Binibigyan lang po talaga natin sa ating favorite na favorite na si Franz din po talaga pangmalakasan. If you know someone experiencing mental health or depression, make sure to check. And of course, ask her and escort. Don't forget to tell the universe that day is gonna be a good day para bonggang energy agad-agad. Love you guys. Stay blessed. Ang galing nila dun. Yes.